So, the old saying, there's no need to reinvent the wheel, rings true in programming too, and one thing that makes any programming language worth its salt is having a good package management system, and in the case of C#, that is NuGet, but there's no built-in support for NuGet in Unity Game Engine. Thankfully, there's an awesome plugin made by Glitch Enzo called NuGet for Unity that most people don't know about, which adds support for this that isn't on the asset store, so let's take a dive into how to use it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the GitHub repository where you can find the source code and supporting documentation. But the only thing we're really interested in is the releases section where you can download the Unity package like so. Then all you need to do is import it into Unity and munch on your pot noodle. Now once it's done importing at the top of the editor, you can see I now have a NuGet menu option that, if I expand, gives me a neat little menu with all the options you get in Visual Studio. But for the sake of this tutorial, all we need to worry about is the Manage NuGet Packages option, which, when I select, will open a package management GUI. Okay, so the first suggestion is actually really useful. Newtonsoft is a JSON serialization framework that is much better than Unity's built-in JSON utility, so let's install that. And now we wait for it to import again. Then finally switch over to Visual Studio Code. You can see now I can use Newtonsoft just like I would if I installed it in a native C# application. I hope I just made your life so much easier.